You've got a what? What's it called now? Sky Striker?
I'm trying to see. I don't want to cut the fuse.
Is that
Paper's trying to come on.
Sky Striker?
Yeah. And then next one will be Desert Blitz.
Desert Blitz.
Yeah, which the paper is coming off.
Well, I don't know how many minutes that first video was, but I had
this thing right.
cut it down a little. You know, I had to turn it off because I mashed the wrong button, and then I let that last one go 10 minutes. I don't know if I'll plug the whole thing or part 1, 2, 3. Okay.
That first a little different, right? I actually started off with.
Oh, okay.
Before that, then.
What's that one called?
Sky Striker.
It was a Sky Striker. Okay. They're glowing at me.
Here, just use this, and they'll blow.
And this is Desert what?
That's going in. This the tip.
Whatever I
That's
said
going in.
earlier.
Just
To
burn
get
it.
through that, there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 more left. 5.
Here.
And then the Bubba Boom. The Bubba Boom. After these others. It's dark out here. We've got the dogs in the house and the cats in the house. The cat might have been interested in watching, but you know, I pushed the door too a little bit, kind of, you know.
Yeah, it's all gonna be like this. Unless it's gonna be like busy. I don't know. That one is fucking.
Huh? That one what?
That one's lame.
Oh, it's still doing some more. It's had a little spurt in there. Yeah.
He's like, what are you? I'll show you.
Yeah. That's why you're supposed to be careful before you run back over and grab them, you know?
I'm gonna go Pistol Pete today, man.
What's that one called?
Pistol Pete.
Pistol Pete, okay.
I might as well just keep this right here.
The what came off?
What hole in the ground there?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, you stepped in the hole in the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah, but watch that. There's a lot of them that whiskey dug out here.
Yeah, all of them are on the right side.
We got one more after this thing. After this one. It might have a little bit more. That one.
What's that coming?
The little one.
Okay.
Little one.
Okay.
Just checking for spiders.
I'm not worried about a spider myself. You are. Come
Why are you
another.
scared?
I don't know which one we. There's one more. Got half pint.
Well, it said little one. That's the name of it. You know?
There it goes.
Yeah, it goes some more.
Much wetter than the other ones, wasn't it? That was
Yeah.
yeah, right?
We got 2 more after that, and for the finale.
Yeah, and the 2 more. We're so close to the finale. It has fire. I'm gonna do Fat Cat next. I'm gonna have Eagle Fountain last. Have some more.
Did you see that one that almost hit me?
Huh?
I don't know.
That had a spark that almost hit me.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, I wish the breeze blow.
I don't trust it.
What's he doing this time? What's this one?
Okay, this
What's that one called again now?
Huh?
What's that one called again?
Fat Cat.
Fat Cat.
Fat Cat. Okay.
Oh, they're all basically the same.
Yeah, pretty much. So fun.
Yeah? It smells like it's going on.
What's that called? What'd he say?
What do you think? Equal fountain.
Equal Falcon. Okay.
The big ones after this.
Okay.
And you got the biggest bada boom. There we
Ain't,
go.
ain't had none of them in yet.
Oh, no. Is that that? No. Oh. What's that for? There we go.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
That's good.